Gavana ma Nairobi Johnson Sakaja oyangoni sirikal mar kaunti ma Nairobi chano gero ute maromo 1,975 e kar dak maudli bang' muko ute maromo 43 e chak jumani. Kaolo senyim komiti mar od bura mar Senate mochung' ne ng'iyo kaka sirikal tiyo gi omenda jopiny. Sakaja olero ni kata odoko ne jogo mane mukutegi e kar dak maudli ng'ur, sirikal mare ne omiyo gi thuolo maromo mar dar kaachiel gi miyo gi chudo mar siling 900,000. Sakaja nyiso komiti no ma otelne kod seneta ma Homabay Moses Kajwang' ni kaunti ma Nairobi geno choko osuru maromo bilion 20 e giko hik omuom mar 2024-2025 kendo pako chenro mar miyo jopuonjre chiemo e skunde duto ma Nairobi.
We are about to groundbreak in Woodley, 1,975 houses. And that is from 43 units. I know there was hue and cry. We've engaged them for a long time. We give them compensation. Those are tenants, by the way. We give, I don't know if you've had a landlord giving you rent to go rent elsewhere, 900,000 shillings each. And then an allotment letter that once it's completed, you have a unit for free. It has happened nowhere in the world. And it is because of the goodwill that we're building with the citizens of Nairobi. We never said we'll fix Nairobi in a day or 2 days, but we're making quite some progress. Our school enrollment has gone up more than 34%. Attendance is at 100% because, and the Auditor General will show you, we're spending close to 1.2 billion feeding our children at 5 shillings a day with partners. Children are not missing school. From this gadget, I can tell how many children have gone to school, how many have eaten, even attendance, just from technology.
And it is painful to go to Kigali and find an orderly central business district with beautiful yellow flowers lining the streets, and then you come back to Kenya driving along Uru Highway, instead of flowers you've got trenches lining the roads. It's a bit of an embarrassment. So we must challenge you. Back in those days, garbage would be collected on a regular basis, and it was not collected by private players. It was collected by the Nairobi City County. The things that the Fred Gumos could do, the Omar Kongos could do, why can't we do them today? And yet we've got better knowledge, better training, better technology,